today is a fantastic day. Grab your cup of coffee because we are going to be reviewing the CG Hunter Costco artificial olive tree. I've wanted one of these for quite a while. I don't even know if it's going to fit in this location, but let me show you what I do got. I do have an old IKEA with a little bit of greenery in there and some white frilly things. I like the vase. I don't really like these white frilly things. Target actually had a really nice artificial one as well, an olive tree that got great reviews. It was like $250. This one I got for a Black Friday deal on Costco.com for $150, $50 off. I think right now, without the Black Friday deal, it's $200, still cheaper than the Target one. On Costco's website, it says it's 80 inches tall, 36 wide. This says 77.9 inches tall. So let's see if it fits here. I bought it because if it doesn't fit here, I'm going to put it somewhere around when I finish my remodel. This room's finished. The other portion of the house is not. Let's get it out and see what we got. And in the meantime, definitely subscribe to the channel. If you guys want to see some cool upcycle IKEA videos, I put some champagne handles on my IKEA dresser. Did the vinyl flooring myself. Did the mudding, the paint, recessed lights in here all myself. Remodeling is fun work when it all comes together after you're done. But it's a lot of work, especially if you're doing a whole entire 2,000 square foot house. That takes some time. Anywho, let's be careful with our knife. And I'm very curious to see if $150 with the discount, if this thing is worth it. Definitely be careful cutting into it as I was just cutting into it. The leaves are literally right here, at least on this corner. Hopefully I didn't cut anything. Doesn't look like it. All right, I think it's in a few different pieces, obviously, because it's supposed to be almost 80 inches tall. Probably be easier just to cut the whole box. I don't think I cut that properly. I think you're supposed to cut it. You're supposed to fold this whole thing over. There we go. I was never good at directions in school. I'm a visual learner. Okay, we're still strapped in here. Let's get this portion out. My puppy over here is wondering what in the world is going on, Dad. You're bringing some craziness going on in the house here. All right, very nice pot though. And I will talk about that. Let me make sure some moisture things. Make sure your dogs don't eat that. That looks like it right there. Let's put this box out of the way. And so what I do right off the bat like about this one already, compared to what all the reviews said on the Target one, was they said that this pot was too small on the Target one, and so everyone was buying this $250 fake olive tree and then having to put it inside of a bigger pot. But as you can see here, this is a pretty big pot. I like that, and it's white, it's matte. I don't think that's ceramic. I think it's just some sort of like, I don't even know what kind of texture that is. What's down here? We got some little pads on the bottom. Very nice nonetheless. Let's go ahead and lift up this piece of cardboard. Got some more dry wicking stuff here. And then this is fake soil that looks like it's been kind of like raked a little bit. So that's kind of fake soil. You might leave it like that, or you might put some sort of like extra little thing there. The trunk looks very real, feels real. Goodness, they did a good job on that. Let's get that off. And this is our connection piece here. There's my beautiful dog right there. Okay, let's put on the upper portion here. Okay, so one goes down. And you could do it whatever way you want. So if you want it like this, then keep it like this. Obviously these fold down, which we're going to fold down here. Or you can go ahead, again, 4 different ways because it's a square knob that presses in right there. You could go whatever way your branches are kind of fanning out that you like a little bit better. If you don't like that one, then you can fan it over here this way and pop that in, then remove that little sticker that says 1 down. You can make it look exactly like the pictured box if you really want to. And that is, again, a nice, beautiful pot here. Look at the design. It looks like it's actually like naturally scratched. They did a great job with this. Now, as you can see here, there is very slight line straight across where the 2 pieces connect right here. Very, very subtle. And then moves up right here. Let's clip our directions, and then we're gonna fan it out when we move it into, look at that. Look at how beautiful that looks with the olives. Oh, okay. I guess this is the way it's supposed to go when the two ones and ones line up like that. That was in the third position. You don't have to have it in that position, but that does look the best for pleasing to the eye when it's straightforward like that. Ladies and gentlemen, that looks absolutely fantastic, and I'm so glad I made this purchase. Now I wish I would have bought two. Well, it was on sale for $150. I'm actually going to go online right now because it's only a handful of days after. Maybe the sale's still going. I'm not exactly sure. If it is, I'll grab one more for another portion of the remodeled house. That looks absolutely fantastic in the corner. Fits beautifully. I will fan it out just a tiny bit on the sides here, bringing that down. But I don't want to take away the look of this right here. They're recommending the full fan out. I mean, even that looks tremendous to me. They're saying a hair under 36 inches across, and obviously that direction as well. Your pot is 12.9 inches tall and 12.9 inches wide with 77.9 inches tall. Again, I wish I would have got two because I was a little concerned with 36 inches fully fanned out because that would have been too much, but I'm glad it looks the way it does. I'll go ahead and, get a little bit of this down a little bit, get a little bit of that, making sure the olives are popping real nice. Let's get that going there. Oh yeah, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Doesn't that look super sharp? Upscaled IKEA with a nice olive tree. Besides removing those stickers, that's dynamite. I don't have to get a new pot like I would have if I got the Target one. Looks absolutely stunning with your white features of your modern farmhouse, modern house, especially with the black accents, the black windows, etc. This is definitely a thumbs up in my book. Again, I'll play around just a tiny bit with some of these leaves so it doesn't look like I'm showing the underside of it too much. Like up here in the top, bend that one down a little bit so you can kind of see more of the front foliage instead of the back, like this one right here. But look at the olives in it. That looks absolutely stunning. You did a great job, Costco. Now I need to go buy another one. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button if you wouldn't mind. Helps out the channel, the YouTube algorithm. Again, like I mentioned, check out the channel, subscribe to it. I do tech reviews. I paint my own windows. I'm doing a full restore, remodel on this 10-acre ranch property. Shop gym, full gym, DIY house stuff, puppy stuff. She's a Labradoodle, by the way. A little messy over here with laundry in the big box of the olive tree, but master bedroom closet. And again, normally does not look like this. Hanging doors, all sorts of beautiful thing, molding, stucco, again, LED lights. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video review. My name is Chris. That's a beautiful olive tree. Take care for now. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch. We'll see you soon.